In this video, I will show you the settings where you can manage spam comments under Shopify blog. So for that, let's log into Shopify admin and then click on online store, then select blog posts. Once the blog post loads, select manage comments. And then right here under the comment status, make sure to select spam, and it will filter all spam comments. As you can see in this example, I have 3 spam comments. So there are a few things what I can do with them. I can either approve them, in other words, they're going to show up on the website, or I can delete them. For the purpose of this example, let's assume that I wish to publish the first 2 comments and delete the last one. So in order to approve comments, let's select both of them. And then in the more action section, let's select unmark as spam. And the comments are going to be displayed on the website. Let me go to the website and refresh the blog post. As you can see, the comments which were initially marked as spam, they're currently visible on the website. And for the last comment that's to the left, we can go ahead and just delete it. So let's select it. And then once again, more actions, and then delete. And that's it. That's how you usually manage spam comments. And one more thing, in case you wish to have more control over the comments that are published on your Shopify blog, you can go to blog posts and then select manage blogs and select one of the blogs. And then under the comments, make sure to enable this option. Comments are allowed pending moderation. Now, moving forward, all the comments which are going to be posted by users on your Shopify blog are going to be marked as not approved. So you would have to go to manage comments section and either approve the comment or delete it. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.